Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add friends on Duolingo. But first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first open the Duolingo app, and after that you have to click on your profile at the bottom of the screen, the third icon. And you can see at the friends section, learning is more fun and effective when you connect with others and add friends. So you have to click on that, and you can search friends by email, by name or username, and you can add friends by finding contacts. So it says that sync your contacts to easily find people you know on Duolingo. So this is one option. The other one is by searching Facebook friends. So yeah, see who you know on Duolingo. So it will sync with your Facebook friends, and the invite friends get plus when your friends join. It says that get 1 week of free Duolingo plus for every friend who joins Duolingo. So this is another plus, and by joining or inviting your friends you will get free plus for a week. So this is a good deal. And by clicking the more option here, you can see where you can invite friends. So this is for this video. I hope that it was helpful for you, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.